Hi there, students. Petty. Petty is an adjective. I guess you could have an adverb pettily as well. And the noun pettiness. Okay, we use petty in two ways, but they're fairly similar. Firstly, petty means something that's not important, something that's trivial. It's not worth paying attention to. Yeah, this is a very petty matter, and we need to forget about it. We have several good collocations with petty. We can have petty cash. A business has petty cash. This is, for example, in a shop, the petty cash is the cash that a shop has to give change to customers. Yeah, or it's used for the immediate spending of the business. Yeah, so it's just a small amount of cash. Or in the Navy, you could have a petty officer, a low-ranking officer, a non-commissioned officer, maybe approximately the rank of a sergeant in the army. Petty crime, a petty criminal. Yeah, so a petty criminal who was arrested 4 times for shoplifting. Yeah, these are small, less serious offences. Okay, petty crime. Okay, so petty, of low importance, not significant, not important. Now, you can also, the other meaning, describe a person as petty. Yeah, he's such a petty person. He's always complaining about things that are not important. Yeah, he's very petty, selfish and mean because he has too much interest in small and unimportant matters. The character is so petty. He's always looking for something to complain about when it comes to the hero. Yeah, he's just so petty-minded. He doesn't think about important things. So if you call somebody petty, you're criticizing them. Small-minded. Yeah. Very narrow interests, or very selfish and thinking about even the smallest thing for themselves. Okay, so if somebody calls you petty, they are criticizing. It's saying you have excessive concern with unimportant matters, unimportant details, particularly in a narrow-minded way, always trying to pick on somebody. My enemy is so petty. He's always trying to find even the smallest detail, even the pettiest detail that is wrong. Okay, he criticized me pettily. He did it out of petty spite. Yeah. So, small and unimportant, a petty grievance. Yeah, if somebody is being petty, they are always raising petty grievances, trivial complaints about somebody. This is a petty consideration, something that is not important, it's minor or trivial. He has a very petty mind. His ideas and his interests are very narrow. He's not a broad-minded person. Somebody who is ungenerous even in the smallest matter. He's very petty. He treats me very pettily. Showing meanness of spirit. He takes every opportunity to take petty revenge against the people he doesn't like. Okay, so, yeah, petty theft, small, unimportant. A petty officer, a petty manager, junior grade, low ranking. A petty matter, picayune, as I had the other day, trivial, yeah, niggling. He's always carping on about petty matters. He's always trying to find fault with people. Yeah, so illiberal, intolerant, something like that. Okay, so petty, contemptibly unimportant, not with a wide scope or understanding. Yeah, petty-minded, ungenerous in spirit, reluctant to spend money, cheap, and just thinking little. And then below standing in importance, this is a petty officer, a junior officer. Okay, so petty, how formal is petty? I think I would give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. It sounds ever so slightly literary, but yeah, I think that's it's only formal in the pettiest of ways. And then the origin is easy. It comes from the French word petit, meaning small. Okay, and clearly that's directly linked to the meaning. Okay, so petty, don't be so petty. This is a petty matter. Yeah, he's a petty criminal. This is so petty that it's not worth dealing with. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Petty. I was thinking about pettifogging as well. That was the word I was looking for.